Hello दोस्तों, today I will tell you how through coolants work, and in drawbar I will show you that what all things need to be checked when through coolant is not working properly. So here you can see the circuit in VMC machine, vertical milling center machine. So there are two types of coolant. One is coming side of the spindle, which is side spindle coolant, and one is coming through the drawbar and passing through the tools, so that is called through coolant. So in our machine, actually through coolant is getting leak from the machine taper, which is BT50. So today I will tell you how to correct it. So there are different through coolant application which is very helpful for tool life. And here you can see the chips removal is very good when we use through coolant. So here I have a collet. I have dismantled this drawbar from the machine. I'm showing you that in a collet first what all the parts is there. So here you can see the fingers. In this collet, actually there are four fingers which is normally holding the pull stud of the tool and pulling it for the clamping. So this finger should not be worn out for proper clamping. And here you can see I am putting two springs, which is also called retaining ring. So these springs is holding these fingers so that it will not fall down. So here you can see I have put both the springs. This is a normal condition of collet. Normally it is in a release condition, so it is not gripping tool when it is in this condition. So here I have a part of pusher which is damaged, and due to this the coolant is getting leak. I have new part also and old damaged part where the rubber is getting damaged. This is pusher which is stuck on the tool pull stud, and when passing through coolant from the spindle tool, it is helping to eliminate the leak between tool and the collet. So this is assembled in collet like this, and we are easily pushing it inside the collet. And in the back side you can see, to holding this we have a snap ring, or also we can tell it retaining ring. So this we can fix it with the help of circle plier or screwdrivers. We can push it down, so that it will sit on the groove which is available on the pusher, so that this will not go forward otherwise. So here you can see how I am fixing with the help of screwdriver. I am pushing this retaining ring or snap ring towards the groove where it will sit and lock the pusher to come out from the collet. So I will show you where the groove is. So I have this pusher. So here you can see one groove is there. It is a minor zero point 0.5 depth groove where the snap ring is going to sit, and it is it is restricting this pusher rod to come out from the collet. So here you can see we have fixed it, and after that there is a conical washer. This spring help to collet to not lose with the time, so that it is fixed properly on the drawbar. So after fixing all the parts, we are inserting the spring, which is help this spring help the pusher to come out, so that it will stuck with some spring force and make contact with the tool pull stud. So I have inserted it in a groove, and after that we will tight the collet. Here you can see there is a threads inside the collet. So here I am fixing it, and you can see here we can easily fix it. Like if your threads are okay, threads are clean, then the collet will easily tight with the hand. So here you can see how we are tightening it, and it is now it is fully tight. So now we have to use some of the spanners for tightening it fully. So here you can see the pusher is now the spring action is there. You can see here after tightening the collet, here you can see the pusher is coming out with the help of a spring force inside it. And now we are fixing the drawbar in the vice, and we are tightening it with the help of spanners. So we have a spanner slot where we can fix our spanner. I am using 41 number spanner and tightening it fully. You be careful that it will not slip and may have some safety incident. So it should be properly hold in the vise, and you can use some of the spanners to hold it. And here you can see the disc spring stack. Disc spring stack, normally we are using parallel or series disc spring based on as per the drawings. So we can refer the manual and arrange this disc spring stack. And here this is a unclamp cylinder which is helping the tool to unclamp from the drawbar. So it is pushing here to the drawbar. So drawbar is pressing and releasing the tool. So declamp cylinder in detail, I am telling you how it is works. So here you can see a declamp cylinder, and when I will push it like this is a stroke. In this cylinder we have a scope to adjust the cylinder stroke. So here you can see this is a adjusting plate which is adjusting the stroke of cylinder. So this is works as a lock nut, where we can see this lock nut is getting tight, then stroke will reduce. If it will lose, then the cylinder stroke will increase. So here you can see the stroke of the cylinder. So stroke, we have to adjust stroke based on the condition, like the declamp cylinder is able to declamp the tool, or it is uh, extra pressing the drawbar. So based on our observation, after that when we clamp or declamp the tool, we will adjust this plate again on the machine. So if you earlier have set it, there is no need to set the stroke. But if anything changes in the drawbar, like you can see whenever we will change the disc springs, there is some tension difference, there is some spring force difference. So might be we have to adjust the stroke of the cylinders. So here you can see four grub screws there. Normally two are for locking and two are just phase butting. So two cross grub screw we need to lose when we have to adjust this plate for adjusting the stroke. And after adjusting it, we can lock it in the holes below it. If it will lock properly, then there will no chance of stroke variation during a movement of the cylinders. So this we need to careful, and we will after adjusting the plate, it should be the grub screw should be locked properly, so that the stroke will not adjust. And the grub screws are given nearby, so that we can set, or we can adjust the cylinder stroke with the fine tuning. There are different cylinders used in different machines based on the application, mounting requirement, and the cost of declamp cylinder. So sometimes we have seen also some hydropneumatic cylinder. People are getting confused, like what is the purpose of unclamped cylinder. So here I am clearly telling you that the unclamped cylinder is used to declamp the tool from the spindle. It is pressing the disc spring stack and pushing the drawbar forward, so the tool is getting declamped. And here I have told you that there is some options for sensor mounting. These sensors are used for tool clamp or tool not clamp or tool unclamp sensing. These sensors are giving a physical position of cylinder. तो दोस्तों फिर मिलेंगे एक नए टेक्निकल वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए दीजिए इजाजत। नमस्कार, जय हिंद, जय भारत। पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो स्किल बनेगा इंडिया।